Some people say they want honesty, but what they really want is comfort. Truth can be uncomfortable. Truth can destroy illusions. Truth can change relationships. In Africa, we say, truth should be told softly, but it should still be told. And maybe maturity is learning to face reality without running from it. Because denial never changes facts. Subscribe for deeper reflection.